Let's talk real estate investing. I love investing in real estate because it's something you can touch, something you can see. It's something that we have control over, something I can wrap my head around. And I know a lot of other folks love to invest in real estate too. So I wanted to introduce to you guys a series we're going to be doing over the next season. We're going to be talking a lot about real estate investing over the next month or two, and I wanted to kind of give you a teaser of what we're going to be bringing you guys. So who should be watching? Who should be listening? If you're an investor, you should be watching. If you are wanting to learn more about real estate investing, you should be watching. If you're an agent that wants to work with investors, you should be watching. If you're an agent that also wants to invest, you should be watching. We're gonna cover lots of things, the basics of real estate investing, the intermediate stuff of real estate investing, some advanced real estate investing. We're gonna cover creative finance. We're gonna cover how to find good deals. We're gonna cover multiple exit strategies, right? We're gonna cover unique opportunities to invest in real estate. We're gonna talk about long-term rentals, short-term rentals, flips, new construction, tax benefits, all those things. Always consult your CPA before taking our tax advice. We're not CPAs. But we're gonna talk about all the wonderful, cool things that real estate investing has to offer. One of the things we love about real estate investing is not only can you make a good money for yourselves, but it adds a tremendous amount of value back to your community by making your community better. So I want to ask you to watch for our videos coming out and our trainings coming out the next several months as we're delivering a bunch of real estate investing stuff to you. And I also want you to shoot me a message if you have something specific you want to make sure we hit or talk about. Shoot it, because if you have that question, I'm sure other people also have that question. So send us those questions you have, send us those thoughts, those things that didn't quite make sense for clarification. Ask us, let us know, so that way we can go and repackage that in a way that makes sense to more folks. So where can you watch these videos, right? I'm not going to email out all the videos on this series. There's just simply gonna be too much content. It's too much to follow along with. Some are gonna be pretty long and in depth. So we're not gonna email out all of these videos, but where they're definitely gonna be housed is on our YouTube channel, underneath our real estate investing playlist. So guys, check that out. Make sure you click the subscribe button to our YouTube channel to keep in the loop as new ones are dropped and new ones hit over the next couple of months. Keep watching the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you're on Facebook or if you're on an email list, guys, go back to the YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button to keep in the loop as new stuff hits and drops over the next little bit. Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. And let's go invest.